Hi there. This is Gardens and Graveyards, where we bring our passion of gardening to the grave. Today, we're in Bend, Oregon at the Moonfire and Son Garden Center. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, ring that bell, and subscribe so that you get notified whenever we post a new video. This garden center was so sweet. I'm so glad we stopped here. It was absolutely charming and everything that I want to see in a center.
I like it when nurseries clump their plants like as if you're walking through a garden. Rainbow Rhythm Primal Scream. Cool. I don't know what it is, but sounds amazing. Firefly Peach Sky. That's an Achilea. What about this? Hemerocallis. It's a daylily. Did you hear what I called it? Rainbow Rhythm Primal Scream.
Oh, well, you gotta get that. It's cool, it's a cool guard.
These trees over here. As I see hostas. There's the ferns. Liculera. Look at that bark. Holy smokes. It's amazing. So bright. Willow Prairie Cascade. My gosh, it's beautiful. $50% off. I have no idea what a hackberry is. Like completely out of my element up here in the desert. Different trees than we normally see. And some of them I just don't even know what they are. This pretty tree. It's so pretty. So maple hot wings. Cool. It's got the white bark and probably fantastic fall color. What'd you find? It's pretty.
It's a sensitive eye.
Is Is it royal?
Scented poppy.
Oh yeah, it's a poppy.
I know.
That's really pretty.
Scented.
Huh? Scented. Well, it goes with our black and white garden. You want to do that?
I do. I can carry though.
Oh yeah, I can carry it.
Here's other.
Look how pretty those are. Globus, spruce globosa. It's like really, I don't know if you could see it, but you see that yellow tree? It's a willow.
Oh wow.
And then some of those white barked trees over there are maples.
How weird.
Yeah.
Huh. Learn something new every day.
Huh?
You learn something new every day.
Yeah, right. Look at this cart. This is what we need at home.
Yeah, no kidding.
Big old strong, sturdy cart like that. Easy to wash out.
Yeah, no kidding.
I like this arbor over that bench right there.
Yeah.
It's sweet. To like grow grapes or something on.
Right.
That's awesome. That looks like these are the chocolate vine akebia. It's pretty. Look at that dark bark right there. That's cool looking. I like structure. Oh, it's a Russian olive. Oh, I like the structure on that. No wonder Laura wants more Russian olives. Even in the winter, it's so pretty. Reminds me of a chocolate lab. Like the bark on it. Shiny like a chocolate lab. I don't know if you could get up there from down here. So I think we're gonna have to go back. Huh?
Okay.
Go back around and stuff. These are all house plants. It's a rubber leaf tree. Ooh, look at it. That's cool.
Wow, that's cool. Pretty.
Beautiful. That's pretty too. Oh, I like it. It's like little hearts. Oh, look at that. Pretty. The same. It's a ruby rubber tree. It's more silver than that one over there. Look at those pots. So pretty. I like them. Is this a black raven too? It is. It is. They're so pretty. I need to get one of these eventually. Okay. It's a citrus. It's a lemon.
Include that in the video.
Huh?
You should include that in the video.
Sure, why not? Pokies. Very pokey. It's a beautiful specimen of a. I like this. It's a ficus. It's pretty. Oh, look at views! Got little vines. Try to find out what this thing is. It's all from the parking lot. It's a birch. Catkins, yeah. That tells you it's a betula.
Sure.
A betula.
What's it?
What?
You betcha.
It's a birch. It's a weeping birch. It's trained, so it's got like this Z shape.
Weaving verse.
This one is wild. Going this way, going this way. It's heavy. But this is like really fun for decorating with in the wintertime.
Yeah.
Is there anything I have to have? What's that? Yeah, I'm just gonna look around for just a minute and then we'll buy our stuff. Look at those. Cute. Oh, I love all these. Look at them. They're so pretty.